and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up your videos in CapCut PC. It is actually pretty simple to do. So I'm just going to load up this video. And I'm just going to go to the audio section over here. Wait, no, the speed one. Why did I go to the audio? And to speed it up, you're just going to basically slide this to the right. If you want to make it slow, slide it to the left. But if you want to speed it up, just slide it to the right. So I want to speed it up to 10x speed. You can also adjust it. Maybe like you want it to be around 7.5. That's 5x speed. You can do that. And here's what the video will look like after it's sped up. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!